Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw flamingo. Here I am giving the outline of the flamingo. Just copy it in your paper with pencil. Draw a curve which follows the outline and know the reference point. Draw a curve on the top which is bended nicely towards the bottom, and at the bottom draw an upward curve. Take this as reference point. Draw a huge bended curve, and from the bottom to the top draw a curve. Then one more U-shaped curve which is inside the beak. Draw a small line. Then moving on to the eyes, draw a nice curve on the top. Repeat the one more curve. Now take pencil, note down the reference point near the beak. Draw a bended curve which joins the eye. On the other side, draw a nicely bended curve towards the eye. Now inside it, draw two oval shape and one more curve towards the tip of the beak. Now one small curve inside the beak. Then C-shaped curve towards the face. It's just below the eyes. So here I draw with pencil because I am using different shades for flamingo. Now the next step, draw a huge curve which follows the previous one. Now make sure about the outline and draw with your outline. Bended curve towards the bottom, then one nicely bended curve towards the right side. And zigzag curves towards the right which joins the previous curve. Extending line outward. A nicely bended line with zigzag line towards the right side which joins the previous curve. Now moving on to the legs, draw two lines and give some zigzag curves here. Draw a straight line which is extending towards the bottom. On the other side, draw a slanting line and give a small curve. Here I am zooming the leg. Draw slanting line at right and left side, and at the center two lines joining these three lines with a curve. Give eyebrows for the flamingo. Draw the arc at the top of the eyes and giving shades to it. Adding details to the eye and draw three lines for the eyelashes which is drawn outwards. Now at the center, draw the eyeball, giving shade to it. Now our flamingo outline is ready. Now it's time for coloring. Give different shades of pink to the flamingo which gives the realistic effect. Now we are moving on to the interesting facts of flamingo. Do you know flamingos are born grey in color? Then why they are looking pink in color? Think just because they eat food which is rich in beta carotenoids. This gives them pink color. There are only 6 species of flamingo. Flamingos eat algae and tiny fish. They can live up to 30 to 50 years. They lay one egg at a time and hatch time of the egg is 30 days. I hope you enjoyed the drawing. If you like my video, click like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.